Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla day here again. Big up, respect, manners to each and every one. My people, I got information about a situation where it is said that a man killed his son and badly injured his wife. You might be surprised to hear some more things about this whole situation to viewers and subscribers, see? But before I say certain things to you, I want to make certain things be very clear, see? I'm going to explain to you in my words and based on how I understand the news articles that I read about this whole situation. So please bear in mind that the things that I'm about to say are considered as allegations and what police from within the country of Guyana theorized about the whole situation. So therefore the things that I'm about to say might not be accurate as well as they can be. Alright? Now, a man who some people call Leon had been accused of badly injuring his wife, killing his son, and also injured himself to the point where he later on died. It is alleged that what the man had done to himself is considered as a suicide. See? It is said that the incident happened in the wee hours of Wednesday morning. That's the 21st of September, the year 2022, within the country that is known as Guyana. It is said that the man was abusive towards his wife and that there was some form of bad vibes between him and his son. His son is said to be in his early 20s now, viewers and subscribers. See? You might be surprised to hear some more things about this whole situation, my people. I'm going to try my best to explain based on them news articles that I'm going to read, my people. See? So listen carefully now. You might be surprised to hear about this alleged accusation that had been made by the husband towards the wife. So listen. So it is said that a mother who is said to be in her 50s was brutally wounded by her husband, and he also threw a flammable fluid on her and set her on fire. It is said that she narrowly escaped with her life. Allegedly, it is said that the same man who badly injured his wife hacked his son to death. Now, it is said that the son was living with his parents. That's the same man and the female who had been badly injured. See? And it is said that the female had been hospitalized and she have first-degree burns. Allegedly, it is said that she is in stable condition. But you know how it go when it comes on to medical treatment. Sometimes certain things are good and then certain things can happen that can be considered as complications, my people, because the situation just bad. You see me? Now, it is said that police within the country of Guyana said that the husband and the wife would often have domestic disputes. And it is said that police within the country of Guyana said that the son who died would intervene during the disputes when his father would physically assault his mother. Now, my people, when you hear those things, what do you think about a situation like that now? When you hear them things, what do you think, my people? Listen. So allegations are that he hacked his son to death while the son was asleep, and that he also accused his wife of cheating on him. It is said that he chopped his wife on the upper part of the female's body. I don't have any confirmed information as to how much times. I don't get no formal information as to how much times those persons had been wounded. It is said that the female was seen running out of the house with blood on her clothing. And reportedly, the husband chased behind her with what seems to be a cutlass in his hand. And that he allegedly told her to come back in the house. Now, my people, if someone badly injure you and you run out of our house, you tell me which person in their right mind would have really and truly want to go back in that their house there. Eh? Some people are normal, you know. Listen again now, see? So it is said that she was later on taken to a hospital by at least one person, my people, see? And it is said that police within the country of Guyana said that she's suffering from a wound on her neck. It is said that the son who died was found in a blooded state, laying motionless on the bed. It is said that he was chopped on the neck. Please bear in mind that all those things I said are allegations, now, my people. Or at least me consider them as allegations. See? Yeah, so I'm going to tell you what I say about the father now, see? Oh, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Because if I get more information about this whole situation, I am going to tell you, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So if you want to stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla, click it. Alright? Now, when it comes down to the father now, it is said that the father was discovered in another room with a wound to the abdomen, and his intestines, or intestines as some people might say, was protruding, meaning whatsoever there inside with the abdomen there. I don't really want to explain certain things, but listen, it is said that a blood-stained knife and a cutlass were found under a bed next to him. It is also said that there was some form of tension between the son and the father because of how the father treats his mother sometimes, meaning being abusive towards her. You understand? And it is said that the son sometimes was trying to avoid the father in order to keep the peace. See? Or it is said that neighbors suspect that he was trying to keep the peace in the home by doing certain things. See? However, on Tuesday night, he went inside the house to sleep, and in the wee hours of Wednesday morning, certain things happened. Quite unfortunate, my people. One news article gave me the understanding that a neighbor recalled that several instances whereby the neighbor heard the woman, who is said to be the wife, screaming at the hands of her abuser. In my point of view, that's the husband. See? And, you know, it is said that the neighbor said, or a neighbor said that the son and him don't live good. Every now and then, you does hear them really going on. And let me say so. A news article said so. You see me? I said, you does hear them really going on. You see me? What do you think that means, my people? Oh, and the man who had been accused of doing all of these things, yeah, it is said that he's in his 50s, viewers and subscribers. You see, this picture that you're looking at your screen right here, yeah, this picture is circulating on social media, claiming to be the man who had been accused of doing all of these things, my people. You understand? It's really sad though, you know? It's really sad, you see? When some people hear about them kind of situations, my people, see? It makes some people think twice before they go on a relationship with somebody. Even 3, 4, 5 times they think too before they go in a relationship with somebody. Because them things are really and truly just make it on a high alert. Nobody know want to end up there with some form of maniac who are going to do the madness, them people. You see me I say? No, sir. No. I want life, you know. I want life. Yeah, man. And be very careful too. No drop your guard. Be careful. Make sure so you know, say the person who you are getting involved with, and somebody who are going to do some foolishness. You get what I say? Yeah, man. I tell them people, them things are wicked. Wicked, you know. So this whole incident, my people, affected a community within the country of Guyana. See, I also saw videos and pictures circulating on social media about this whole situation with certain allegations. My people, again, please bear in mind that the things that I told you are based on news articles that I read. they are considered as allegations and what police from within the country of Guyana theorize about the whole situation. See me? And yes, I left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. You can also let me know what to think about this whole situation. Alright? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.